Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the car and securing power. That prevents shorting while you work. Once parked, remove interior trim panels where guards attach. Pry gently with a trim tool to avoid cracking clips, then expose fasteners. Make sure to wear gloves and keep screws in labeled containers so you know which hole each came from. As you loosen the first fasteners, note whether guards bolt through glass or clamp to the frame because that determines the next steps. Once the fasteners are exposed, begin removing bolts in a consistent order to avoid bending the guard. Start at the top, then bottom, then sides. If the guard clamps the glass, you must support the window. Use a suction lifter or have a helper hold it, because clamps can shift. Carefully separate rubber seals and trim using a plastic scraper to avoid metal damage. If adhesive resists, warm it with a heat gun on low so it loosens without melting paint. Finish by cleaning the area and reinstalling interior trim, then test the window through its full travel before driving. Make sure you torque bolts to the vehicle spec and replace any broken clips. This prevents wind noise and leaks. If the window binds or won't seal, recheck bolt tension and alignment. Loosen, then red-tighten one fastener at a time until movement is smooth. A common troubleshooting tip: if binding persists, inspect for a bent guard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.